above all the earth. The beauty of your power, I can feel thy praises. Your voice is inside of me. At the mention of your name, the earth trembles. You're the King of glory. Your name is God. You are a God in everything. You are a God everywhere. You are a God every hour.
It's in your nature to be God.
You are a God in everything. You are a God everywhere. You are a God every hour.
It's in your nature to be God.
You are a God in everything. You are a God everywhere. You are a God every hour.
It's in your nature to be God.
It's in your nature, in your nature. It's in your nature, in your nature. It's in your nature, Baba.
It's in your nature to be God.
With or without a miracle, you're still God to me, Jehovah. My heart full of praise shall lift up your name, 'cause you are God. Yeah. Isi ekenu, yezemo, chikuanile, onyeso putae, creator of the universe. Yeah, the owner of my life, Imela Papa. It's in your nature. It's in your nature, Baba.
It's in your nature to be God.
Oh, it's in your nature. It's in your nature. Oh, Shaya Bare Bara.
It's in your nature to be God.
From the morning till the evening, in my joy, in my reproach, in my shame, eh, Baba.
It's in your nature to be God.
Alieka, Alieka.
It's in your nature to be God.
Ayandere Baba, Baba Sandara Baba.
We worship you, our God. We bless you, Lord. Every hour, every second, you're still the same. Hallelujah. You never change. You never change. You are still the same, Alpha and Omega. We worship you. Hallelujah, hallelujah, you sing again, do hallelujah, It's in your nature to be God.
You don't need a miracle. You don't need a testimony. You don't need a sacrifice.
It's in your nature to be God.
You don't need kings to say it. You don't need lawyers to say it. It's in your nature, Baba.